Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to be making faux leather using ink and paper. I'm going to use the pecan pie ink and the inspirational sketches to add this bird on here. Let's see, okay. We're going to stamp that guy right on there. Isn't he so cute? Alright, next we are going to grab our blending brush and we're just going to add some edges around here. So it's going to blend into that faux leather that we're going to make. So as I'm doing that, I just wanted to let you know that you can find all of the sizes and a tutorial in the link in the description or on my blog, beautyandthestamper.com. So just going around here again, making sure that it is at the darkness that I want. I always start off lighter first, and then you can always add more. So we are now going to stamp our base. Our base is just a standard card size. And I'm going to use the Happy Anniversary from Sweetly Scripted, and I'm putting it on the lower quarter of the card, and it goes all the way across the card, which is what I love about these scripts here. Now I'm going to flick with the cap on the marker to get little speckles all around the card. Don't forget to clean that off, otherwise it's going to end up on your base. I've done it before. So take your pecan pie piece of paper and you are just going to open it and crumble it and open it and crumble it and just give yourself some nice crumbled pieces, just like leather would do. And then you're going to open that back up and you will take your pumpkin pie ink and you're going to rub that across the top, and you're going to see that it picks up some of those higher angles. And when you have done that, then you're going to go in and you're going to tilt and make your angles where the ink hasn't hit them yet. So we're just going to continue doing that until we get it right about where we like it. You can add more or less, whatever looks best for you. And then we're going to take and we're going to blend again the outside of this. This is just adding dimension on here. And look at that. It's just going to look more and more like a faux leather piece. If you look at it when you see this finished product, you're going to not even know that it's paper and ink. It will look just like leather, and it's so cool. If you do it with the brown, it looks like leather, but this would be a great little background for any color, and you just use the same color ink on the paper. So we're going to clean that off, and now we're going to put everything together. And what I like to do is use the green glue. It's the multi-purpose glue, and if you want to find any of the products used in this video, you can go to my online store. I'll also have that linked, or you can again go to beautyandthestamper.com and there is a shop button. So we're going to add that to the page, and I'm going to make sure I've got a little 1/8 of an inch all the way around the top and the sides, and then I use my bone folder to get those edges glued down nicely so it doesn't just lift, and then I'm pushing that glue and laying that faux leather down. Now we're going to get out our dimensionals and we're going to pop up this little portion here, and my take your pick tool. You guys know me, I love this tool. It makes it so easy to do so many different things. Almost every project I do, whether it's stamping or not, uses that. So I'm going to put that right in the center there. And then I'm going to take some adhesive back sequins and we're going to add just a few of these little sequins here. And one more should do it, and then we will have this card. So I hope you like this. Please give me